I'm here in Tanzania. We just successfully climbed Kilimanjaro with Discover Outdoors. And I just wanted to thank everyone who donated to my fundraiser. I was able to raise $4,200 through friends and family, fellow guides, and company that I work for. And so one of my challenges was to drink a beer out of a real dog dish as compliments of a fellow guide at Discover Outdoors. So as a thank you for donating, I am going to chug a Grand Malt, which has a nice rich brown color to it. It looks incredibly appetizing, and this is probably about to get very messy. It didn't even open properly, and I can smell dog food for some reason. Okay, here we go. That literally tasted like dog food.